From CSI to real-life criminal investigations, DNA analysis is increasingly used to track down perpetrators of crimes. Now, scientists are taking this technique a step further and applying it to forensic entomology. By studying the DNA of the insects found at a crime scene, investigators can gain a more accurate understanding of the timeline of events. Forensic entomology is the study of insects or other arthropods to assist in criminal investigations. Insects can provide vital clues about the circumstances surrounding a crime by indicating how long the body has been present or the cause of death. By looking at the activity of insects at a crime scene, detectives can gain valuable insight into the events that took place. DNA analysis is playing a more important role in forensic entomology. By studying the DNA of the insects found at a crime scene, investigators can more accurately determine the time and location of a crime. This technique is particularly useful when insect remains are the only source of evidence at a crime scene, or when time of death is difficult to determine. DNA analysis is becoming a valuable tool in forensic entomology. By studying the DNA of insects found at a crime scene, investigators can gain valuable insights into the timeline and location of events. As this technology continues to advance, it will no doubt be increasingly used in criminal investigations across the world.